Hi everybody, this is Mary from Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is Tips and Techniques Tuesday. And I know last week I showed you some of the designer series paper. This week I'm going to show you the rest of the designer series paper in the holiday catalog. The first one we're going to look at is called Frosted Floral Specialty Designer Series paper. It says classically elegant texture designs printed on shimmery white paper, 12 sheets, 2 each of designs, $14. And it goes with Blackberry Bliss, Blushing Bride, Gray Granite, Mary Merlot, Mint Macaron, Mossy Meadow, Night of Navy, Pear Pizzazz, Pineapple Punch, Powder Pink, Soft Sea Foam, and Soft Suede, and Tranquil Tide. Wow. I don't know. I just opened this. I didn't know what to expect, and I don't know if you can see the shimmer in it. It's on a really light sheet of shimmering paper. It is just beautiful. You have to get this. If you don't get any, this is the one you really have to get to see it. You got to have this in your hands. And again, it has 12 sheets, two sheets each of these 6 designs. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Like the flowers, and this is a distress look, so it's supposed to look like that. It's beautiful. And this is the watercolor one. Oh, and another watercolor one. This is beautiful. Look at all those roses. Can you see them shimmer and shine? So again, that is the Frosted Floral. And it's on page 37. And it's a specialty designer paper, so it's $14. Okay, this next one is the Country Lane Designer Series paper. It's on page 43, right here, with the Country Home. It's in the Country Lane suite. And it's country imaging in contemporary colors. Blackberry Bliss, Cajun Craze, Crushed Curry, Early Espresso, Mint Macaron, Old Olive, and Whisper White. So I've got 6 of the sheets out. Those are, you could probably, if you wanted to, color in those pumpkins. Oh, and cotton, little cotton, because I see big cotton over here. Oh, this looks like the tin tile. Yep, and the tin tile. Cool. And some more cotton. Oh, and this is planking. Oh, these are those mushroom thingies. Can't remember what they're called. They're rye. There we go. So that is, again, the Country Lane Designer Series paper. Oh, forgot this last one. Okay, and so the next one we're going to is going to be the Halloween, and that's called Toil and Trouble Designer Series paper, and it's on page 49, and it's 12 sheets, 2 each of 6-sided designs. Goes with Basic Black, Cajun Craze, Crushed Curry, Early Espresso, Gorgeous Grape, Granny Apple Green, Highland Heather, Lemon Lime Twist, Mango Melody, Petal Pink, Pumpkin Pie, and Whisper White. Wow. Goes with a lot. There's the bats. Oh, look at that starry sky. I love the bats. I'm a bat person. I hate bats in real life, but I love looking at them. Oh, and the witches. Oh, look at how colorful those witches' hats are. Oh, and frogs. Kiss a frog. Kiss make a prince. Oh, and the cauldron. Look at that with the kitty cat and the frog and the spiders. I hate spiders. And then we have the pumpkins all in rows, different sizes, different kinds. And we have the witches' brooms there. Oh, and we have little ghosts here. Oh, look at them. They're colored. It's purple. So that's probably the Highland Heather and the Mint Macaron. Ooh, and there's a Highland Heather and the what is the other one? The Highland Heather and the Gorgeous Grape. Oh, and here's the witches. And kitty cat's in orange, and that's a distressed look again. It's supposed to be model look. It's supposed to be different coloring. So, thanks for visiting. Oh, remember all these are in the catalog, the holiday catalog. Follow me on YouTube over there, and all the information to buy this is down below, and I hope you do purchase from me. Thanks for visiting, and happy stamping. Bye-bye.